Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money from Apple Cash to Ally Bank, quick fix step by step clearly. Open your Apple Wallet app on your device. Tap on the Apple Cash card. Select the three dots in the upper right corner. Choose the option labeled Transfer to Bank. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Select Next to proceed. Choose either a 1 to 3 business days transfer or an instant transfer. For an instant transfer, confirm that your debit card is linked to your Apple Wallet. If this is your first time transferring, you may need to add your Ally Bank account. To do this, open the Wallet app again. Tap on Bank Accounts. Select Add Bank Account. Enter your Ally Bank account information, including the routing number and account number. Confirm the information is correct and save. Return to the transfer process in the Apple Cash section. Make sure to review the transfer details. Once everything looks good, tap Confirm to finalize the transfer. A notification will indicate the status of your transfer. If you chose the instant transfer option, the funds should appear in your Ally Bank account within minutes. For the 1 to 3 business days transfer, you will receive a notification once the funds are available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.